Welcome back. Victim girl in Tehelka rape case has stated before the crime branch that relatives of Tarun Tejpal are revealing her identity and dishonoring her privacy by posting content on social networking sites. In an email sent by the victim girl to the investigating officer, she has alleged that one of the close relatives of Tarun Tejpal has posted some content of the CCTV footage on Twitter. According to sources, crime branch is investigating the matter and is likely to present the facts before the court during the next hearing.
While reasoning why Tarun Tejpal should not be granted bail, High Court in its judgment observed that it is difficult to believe that Tejpal would obey the conditions if he is released on bail by putting any condition on him. Victim girl has informed the investigating officer that Tarun Tejpal's daughter has posted some content of the CCTV footage related to the case on her Twitter account. The victim girl on 19th March has sent a mail to investigating officer of this case, PI Sunita Sawant, in this regard. Tarun Tejpal is also accused of misconducts in the custody. Complaints against Tejpal have been lodged for intimidating the victim girl and investigating officer. Tejpal has also been booked for using mobile phone inside jail. Alleged use of mobile phone in jail was taken seriously by the High Court while rejecting his bail plea. According to sources, crime branch is unlikely to register a separate complaint on the basis of the victim's mail, but the facts can be brought to the notice of the trial court during next hearing. Next date of hearing of this case is 25th March. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
BJP campaign in charge of North Goa, Michael Lobo, is confident that Sripad Naik will sweep the MP election with a comfortable lead. Lobo criticized Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. Lobo feels that Goans have no option than to elect BJP government at the centre. He also alleged that Congress MP candidate in North Goa has corruption charges levied against him.
BJP NDA is coming to power. So when we give 2 seats to Delhi, we can ask in return. When I am saying ask in return is a lot of things we will get, a lot of funding we will get. All the projects which are pending, especially the development of infrastructure for Goa, we will all get it. Amka ek hak astalo, je relationship what Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar shares with Narendra Modi is very personal relationship. So it is just one phone call and funds we will get the funds when we present what Goa requires. 15 वर्षा तो MP म्हणून आहा तेजेर अगेन्स्ट आयज कसलेच चार्जीस जावंक ना, खंयचेच करप्शन चार्जीस जावंक ना तर जो ऑपोजिट आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आहा, जो काँग्रेसीचो कॅन्डिडेट आहा तेजेर कितलेच करप्शन चार्जीस लागलेले आहात. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता गोंयच्या लोकांक की तेणी श्रीपाद भाऊ नायकाक मोर देन 50,000 लीड दिवन जिखोन हाडचो. आम आदमी पार्टी झाडू घेवन आहा, काँग्रेस हात घेवन आहा. आमी तेंचो लोकांचो हातूय मागला, आमी झाडूय मागला, तांकां झाडून वोट BJPक घाल म्हटल्या सारकें. हातीन झाडू धरपाचो, झाडपाचें BJPक घालपाचें. ह्या फावटी देर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन. पीपल ऑफ गोवा हैव गॉट नो अदर ऑप्शन.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.